Alright boys, in today's video I'll show you how to make your first $5,000 on Fanvue with threads. Now why threads? While everyone else is fighting for scraps on saturated platforms, threads is the easiest way to get traffic in 2026 for your AI model. Reddit is overrun with creators and bots, Instagram constant shadow bans and fake engagement, Twitter is barely alive, threads barely tapped, Meta is pushing the algorithm like crazy. If you get in now, you grow stupid fast. If you go on threads right now, you'll see AI models are growing like crazy on threads. My thread system, main and slave accounts. The strategy relies on slave accounts who are used for mass following to drive traffic into the main account. The main account is the model actual profile. We only post high quality posts in there, and the goal of that account is to convert visitors into Fanvue subscribers. The slave accounts, aka the worker bees. Their purpose is to drive traffic into the Fanvue link. They follow 50 plus users a day. The action flow looks like this. Slave accounts follow hundreds of people. People get curious and check their profile. They see the tag for the main account and the Fanvue link. Now they either go into your main threads account and click the Fanvue link there. Now what this does is it gets reached to your main threads account, making it go viral. And when they go into your main threads account, they also click the Fanvue link. Or they can click the Fanvue link directly from the slave account bio. They subscribe to your Fanvue page and then you start chatting. With this strategy, you get consistent traffic to your Fanvue page. Next, the mass follow bot. This is the engine that makes the system fully hands-off. We only run this bot on the slave accounts. The bot mass follows real users 24/7. In your slave account bio and post, you always take the main account. In your slave account bio, you also have the Fanvue link, because people you follow with the bot will check either your Fanvue link directly and sub from there, or your main threads account and sub to your Fanvue from there. So with this strategy, each slave account brings 5 to 10 real subs per day. Multiply that by 10 or 20 slave accounts and you have a non-stop traffic flow. Now what to post on your main account? Don't overthink it, post a minimum of 5 times per day. Post safe thirst traps and flirty selfies, relatable text posts, basically jumping on what's viral. Make sure you keep it meta safe. Do not nuke your account with overly risky content. The pinned post. Keep a clear call to action at the top. For example, I'm not talking here, check my link in bio, you'll figure it out. Analytics and optimization. Track profile views. Which posts are actually driving people to the page? Which days do your Fanvue subs spike? Ride the wave. If a posting style blows up, keep doing it. If it's dead, drop it. Next steps. If you're serious about growing your Fanvue page in 2026, follow this exact checklist. Create your main threads account. Set up 10 to 50 slave accounts. Install the mass follow bot and target the right users. Post daily and track your results. Optimize your call to action and let the slaves feed the main account. Here's a case study from one of my students using this strategy. He got 350 subs within 5 days of running this strategy with 20 thread slave accounts. If you want to learn exactly how to set up this strategy for your AI model, click the Discord link in the description and message me once you're inside to get access to the Threads mass following bot, the entire Threads main and slave account strategy, the slave account warm-up routine so you don't get your accounts banned, posting and content strategy, how to set up your slave accounts with proxies on an undetected browser. So yeah boys, make sure you click the Discord link in the description of this video and I'll see you inside.